Antalis is one of the biggest and most important suppliers of substrates to the global printing industry. And here at FESPA, you can see they have a very, very beautiful booth. And I have the pleasure to talk to Francois. Francois, a pleasure
Hello.
to meet you. And I know that we have just been thrown into this, right? But this is a really amazingly nice looking booth. Is it your work?
Thank you, thank you. Do you think so? Really?
Oh yeah. I mean, if you look at also you have it's like kind of embossing effect that you have on the background. I mean, it just looks really fantastic.
With a light effect for each substrate. Yeah.
But I mean, you are in the substrate business, and this is, I mean, when you look at around here at all the exhibitors at FESPA, all of them need substrates, right? So this is a place where you can get a lot of customers, right?
Yeah. First, thank you to come and to visit our booth at this FESPA. As you know, FESPA is really a strategic initiative for our industry every year, except the two last year. So this year, after 3 years, we have decided to participate into FESPA and to show our key initiatives.
Just move a little bit here so we get your booth on.
What I propose that will be to visit our booth together.
Yeah,
why not?
Course. Yeah.
Okay.
So what do you want to show? Everything, right?
Yes, everything.
I mean, we have some flooring here, right?
Yes, because this is very simple. We have 4 strategic initiatives. So what I propose that would be to visit the first, the second, third, and the fourth.
Makes sense. Makes sense.
And I'm sure that you will guess our strategic initiative. It is the first. What is it? This one.
The one there? Okay, it's of course the sustainability kind of thing, right?
Bravo. As you said it.
Not as stupid as I look, right?
Yes. With our motto, let's act together for more sustainable communication.
Yeah. And when you
this is really key. This is really a key message, and this is really key for industry. In the retail industry, all of our customers are completely focused on this topic.
Yeah.
Sustainability.
Yeah.
And what does it mean, sustainability? The challenge is to move from plastic product to sustainable product, to build together a better planet for our children.
And when you say that, I really like that vision, but I was thinking, is that something that is easier said than done? Because I mean, taking a world that has lived on plastic for the past 50 years to change things to more sustainable things, it is everything from how you manufacture, how to you distribute, and how to you get it disposed afterwards, right? Is that the entire life cycle that you are focusing on?
Correct. And what is very difficult, this is to change the habit of our customer.
Yeah.
Because all their infrastructure is set for plastic.
Yeah.
And now, if you remember this industry, 20 years ago, they all come from paper and board to plastic, and plastic was really fashion.
So we kind of go back
now
in time, kind of,
they have
right?
to change
and
to come back to board. And board is boring. So
now you're proving them wrong, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how do you do that? I mean, it's really nice and green, but that doesn't do it, right?
We do that with four pillars. The first one was really communication. Communication is not communication. What does it mean? That means to convince our people and to convince our customer with a strong communication campaign through our digital infrastructure, through our website, through the social media. Second has been to that. Please, if you can zoom to that.
Oh, so here you have like defined
to introduce our what we call our Green Star system.
Yeah.
So all of our products have been selected into this category, the life cycle and the raw material origin.
So that basically means that when a customer is looking into buying from Antalis, now they will have a rating system so they easily can see if it's sustainable or not sustainable.
Yes, depending on how many stars.
Yeah.
From 1 to 5.
Yeah.
1, 0, 1, 2, stars, this is not sustainable. 3, 4, 5,
it's sustainable.
This is sustainable.
And when you, Antalis is also a distributor, of course. Like, so I was just thinking that, or merchant. So when you look at this thing here, does that mean that you have to go back to all your suppliers and say, this is what you have to comply to in the future?
Yeah. This is why this is easy for the customer to have the view of what they buy, because they do not understand if the product and why the product is unstable.
Precisely, yeah.
Okay, and with the life cycle and the raw material origin,
it makes sense.
It makes sense. This is easier to understand the market.
First pillar.
First, and after that, the third goal was to introduce alternative products.
Okay, and you have that
in
too?
our range. Yes, of course. They are there. And after that, to support the customer. To support the customer. Okay. The second.
I mean, you're so crowded here on your booth, so it's almost impossible for our filmer to follow us, right? So maybe we can.
Maybe we are popular.
I think you are, right?
So let's go to.
I follow you
to the Magenta Zone.
I follow you.
So where are we now?
Creative.
Yes, creative.
Is it all right?
Yes.
I mean, and I didn't
creative or
looks really nice. So interior, of course,
interior design.
Because that is also like, if you look at all the other exhibitors with all the fantastic machines, this is an area that is, of course, interesting to Antalis as well, right?
Yes. This is a new challenge of the visual com business. We come from the retail, advertising, so basic. Signage was basic, and after that, from signage, we go to improve the visibility of our customer with their brands. And now, thanks to the substrate and thanks to the capability of the printing machine, now we can go to the interior decoration. So what does it mean, interior decoration? This is personalized decoration for offices, restaurants, public spaces,
and
furniture.
And basically, when you look at this, it also shows not just the great design, but it also shows that you have different substrates, because I can see, even without touching it, I can see that you have different kind of textures on it, right?
Printed or unprinted.
Fantastic. Great.
So the challenge in interior decoration is not only to convince our customer, this is to convince all the community. And so this is architect, designer, brand owner, and our printers.
But also the entire supply chain, right? Because, I mean, if you come from a traditional, where you do dyes and where you do other traditional kind of things, now you move into a one-to-one world, right? Which is totally different.
The third one. Our brand, Koala.
What is that? I didn't know.
Yes, Koala. So this is Koala. It is the own brand of Antalis. And today,
you just continue. I just need to see where my next thing is.
And today, Koala, this is the 10 years anniversary. Koala is 10 years old. And yesterday, we celebrate the 10 years old of Koala. So we have 250 products in the Koala range. Textile, self-adhesive, banner, paper, film. So this is really the strong strategy of Antalis. No, this is not. This is not.
We have to go to the next one because we are a little bit in a hurry.
And so, to finish, the next one is carapin.
Oh, so that is like wrapping.
Carapin.
Yeah. Just looks great, right? So, Francois, how is your car looking? Does it look anything like this? You have that angry bee on a wasp on your car?
Yes, I would like to have that on my car.
Yeah, because everybody will get out of your way when you're driving on the highways.
This is really an amazing market. You know this market?
Yeah.
The expected growth of this market is
it's like
two-digit.
Really?
Two-digit for the 10 for the future.
Fantastic.
this is really so that means that this market will triple in 10 years.
Yeah.
Triple.
Of course, Antalis want to be there, right?
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course.
That's
we
great.
cannot avoid.
No. Thank you very much for your
Thank
time.
you very
I'm
much.
sorry that it was a little bit in a rush, but that is how it is.
This is your job. This is your job.
Yeah, okay, great. Thank you very much. I will get back to talk to you later. See, if you feel sweaty like me, you don't do. But I mean, I'm sweaty right now because I've been running from one place to here. Now I have to run all the way back to see Mimaki. Maybe Jan and Henrik is already there, but we will catch up with them. So see you in a moment.